Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the Daily Current Affairs. 26th of June, we see International Day in support of victims of torture. This day is observed by the United Nations. The first of this day is celebrated in the year 1997, and the theme is and this day we observe this day is to raise awareness about the suffering of people who undergo torture. Next one. We also observe this today as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. And the theme is Share Drug Facts and Save Lives. And we observe this day is to raise an awareness about the global drug problem and eliminate drug misuse. All over the world, activists, therapists, and the organizations will come together to observe this day and to share facts about the drugs. Next one. DRDO has successfully testified an enhanced version of Pinaka rockets and 122 caliber rockets from a multi-barrel rocket launcher. And this test was conducted in Chandipur of the coast of Odisha. And these rockets will achieve a target to destroy of about 45 kilometers range. And the chairman of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. Next one. And we see another testified by the DRDO, that is the subsonic cruise missile nearby from an integrated test range, which means the subsonic means it is with a speed of sound, or else just less than the speed of sound. It is a cruise missile which can strike its target at a range of 1500 kilometers on the land. It is a long range and all weather subsonic cruise missile. And it is also testified from the Chandipur in Odisha's Balasore. Next one. IIT Delhi developed a rapid antigen test kit at an affordable price of rupees 50, which is this antigen test kit is totally indigenously developed, which means it is developed in India itself and manufactured in India itself, which gives an accurate test results. And it is developed by the IIT Delhi's Center for Biomedical Engineering, and this project is led by the Professor Harpal Singh, and the CM of Delhi is Kejriwal. And this kit is approved by the ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Next one. Ramgarh Vishdari. Ramgarh Vishdari is a wild sanctuary, becomes the fourth tiger reserve of Rajasthan, and it will be the 52nd tiger reserve of India. And the another three tiger reserves of Rajasthan are Ranthambore Tiger Reserve in Savai, and Madhopur Sariska Tiger Reserve in Alwar, Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve in Kota. In the earlier we have seen that Raimona becomes the sixth national park in Assam, and Dihing Patkai becomes the seventh national park of Assam. These two are the national parks recently added in the Assam, and today we see Ramgarh Vishdari Wildlife Sanctuary becomes the fourth tiger reserve of Rajasthan. The Chief Minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot, and the Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next one. India Smart Cities Awards Contest ISAC 2020, which is given by the Center Smart Cities Mission Project. In this project, Uttar Pradesh is the best state award. Uttar Pradesh got the best state award, and followed by the Madhya Pradesh and the Tamil Nadu states. And if we see among the cities, Indore and Surat were jointly winner the best cities in this award in this contest, and whereas the Chandigarh was ranked the first among the union territories. Next one, Standard and Poor's Global Ratings cut India's growth forecast for the current fiscal year to 9.5 percentage, and recently they have given earlier they have given that India's growth would be 11 percentage, and they have slashed the India's growth to 9.5 percentage recently. And yesterday we have seen India's India ratings also slashed the GDP growth of India to 9.6 from 10.1 percentage, and all these are decreasing our GDP growth due to the second wave of pandemic which caused in the month of May and June. Due to the second phase of pandemic, all the ratings are decreasing. Next one, economic think tank NCAER expects the Indian economy to grow 8.4 to 10.1 percentage for the current financial year. This NCAER is an economic think tank which told the India GDP growth would be increased this financial year. If we see for the last year, the India growth is contracted to minus 7.3 percentage, and now it expects the growth would be 8.4 to 10.1 percentage, which is good. Here NCAER is National Council of Applied Economic Research, and the head of NCAER is Poonam Gupta. She is the first Director General of NCAER. Next one, Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat won the 53 kg gold medal at the Poland Open in Warsaw. This was the third one in the season for Vinesh Phogat, and this was the India's second medal at the event, after in which the Ravikumar Diaz had won the silver in men's 61 kg. Next one, Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal striker, has become the joint top scorer in men's international football. He achieved this in Portugal's Euro 2020 game against France at the Puskas Arena in Budapest. And the total goals of Cristiano Ronaldo till now are 109 goals, and the matches played by him is 176. And he tied with the Iran's legend Ali Dai, who scored the same as 109 goals and in the matches of 190 149 matches. Next one, Lakshya Tera Samne Hai. It is an India's official Olympic theme song, uh, which is composed by the Mohit Chauhan and sung by him itself. Kiran Rijiju was the chief guest to the event, and this event was organized by the Indian Olympic Association. Uh, this is the Tokyo Olympics 2020. It is going to be held at Tokyo, Japan from 23rd July to 8th August 2021. Actually, this Olympics should be held in the last year 2020. Due to the pandemic, this Olympics was postponed to 2021. Lakshya Tera Samne Hai is a theme song for that Olympics from India. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.